Welcome to this video. Right now, we are ready to create your company page. So if you have a company, online company, offline company, if you have a local business, doesn't matter. You can still create an amazing, super optimized business page here on LinkedIn, and I'll show you how to do it on this video. Before we start doing that, let me show you 3 or 4 examples of other companies and how the page looks like, so you have an idea of how to prepare your page. Here we are on the page, on LinkedIn page for Udemy. You see here at the top we have the top image, which I see that they didn't change for some reason. They have the logo, the company name, the location, and how many followers they have right now on LinkedIn. Also, we have an overview of the company with some pictures, jobs that are open for this company. So if you have a company and you have positions available on your company, you can post here so people will see your jobs offer and will apply for the jobs also. About us, this is super important. It's where the company tells to their audience, to the followers, all about this company, about the mission, what is your goal as company. Also, I recommend you to, if possible, to add your website here, and also we have the option to add your website at the bottom of the description. I'll show you how to do all this right now in the next video. The location, company size, how many employees founded, the year that was founded, and all this information, the industry, how many careers insights for this company. You can see all the career insights here, and you have some showcases of this specific company. Below that, up until here, is the profile, the company profile that we are building for you. Below that, we will see all the recent posts, the recent updates for this company. And we will have another video here on this model, especially about creating content for your company. But you see that they have all the posts here for the company. The next example I have is Starbucks. You see here that at the top, yes, they have a customized image here at the top. Udemy, if we go back here, Udemy is not using the background image. I don't know why, because this is super important. It's a huge space at the top of the page where you can show your customers more about you, about your company. And if you are not using this, you are probably, I don't know, it's not the best practice. I love using this space, as for example, Starbucks is using here, saying connect with something bigger. If we go to Nike, they have the Nike headquarters photo here. If we go to Whole Foods, they have their sign on front of their store. So this is how it works. So if we go back to Starbucks, you see the number of followers, the industry that they have, and all these awards that they will gain, how many jobs open, pictures about the company, overview, the about us ads text that we talked about in the last example, and we have the post. Let's take a look at Nike. Nike, here we have same thing. We have the information overview, live pictures about us, more information about the company website, and all that good stuff. And the last example is the Whole Food. You see that they are also using the top image here, which is great. And we have the information about the company and the post. In the next video, we will continue. We will start actually taking action and opening your company LinkedIn page. But before we go there, let me tell you that in order to create a company page, you need to have an email address that contains your company URL, your company domain. So in my case, for example, my domain is diegodavila.com. So I need to have an email that is at diegodavila.com. For example, support@diegodavila.com or something like that. If I am Whole Foods, I need to have an email in order to create the Whole Foods page. I need to have an email that is not Gmail, it's not Yahoo or Hotmail. I need to have an email that is wholefoods.com. For example, diego@wholefoods.com or something like that. You get the idea. So that's the first requirement. And they won't allow to create. They won't allow you to create a company page if you have a Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo Mail, or something like that, a free email service. What happens if I have, for example, a domain which is, let's say, Diego Davila, but my company name is different? That's fine. You can still you can still create the company page if you have if the domain on your email is not exactly the name of your company page. That's fine. So if my email is diegodavila.com at diegodavila.com, I can still create a company name with another name. For example, @mine, which is the name of my company. So I can create a company called @mine and use my Diego Davila email. You get the idea. Basically, they don't allow you to create pages if you have a free email account. Okay? In the next video, we will continue. We will start creating the page and adding all this wonderful information about your company to make sure that we are making a huge impact on the eyes of your followers. See you there.